Welcome to TikTok Insiders, the world's leading TikTok marketing community. The only TikTok ads training program that guarantees more profitable TikTok ads within 24 hours of joining. Guaranteed. Everyday marketers around the world are seeing TikTok ads become their most profitable ad channel, even over Facebook and YouTube. TikTok Insiders isn't just another generic online course. It's a cutting-edge training program carefully designed to get you massive results. It combines a hyper-engaged online community, unlimited access to the TikTok Trends database, a growing library of value-packed how-to video lessons, monthly live coaching calls where I share my most profitable new strategies. Hire or apply for exclusive job opportunities with the TikTok Talent Database. TikTok Insiders teaches marketers like you exactly how to rapidly scale winning ads without the CPA skyrocketing. Find the most viral TikToks that your target customer already loves. Know which trends, sounds, and effects to use in your creative right now for maximum performance. Set up your first campaign on day 1. Stay on top of the newest algorithm and ad platform developments so you are always ahead of the competition. Make TikTok ads the biggest, most profitable ad channel for your business, so your future is no longer in the hands of Facebook. When you become an insider, you get everything you need to go from launch to scaling. Click the link below this video and test out Insiders today.